Yeah, that's pretty slick.
All right, we're here with Billy Hobbs. He has a badass tee bucket. You're going to be seeing that. So what made you want to build the tee?
Me and my dad have been talking about building a tee bucket probably since the early 90s. And when COVID hit, I was like, you know what? We got some spare time. I hit my dad up. I was like, let's build one. And it was our COVID project. So,
right.
Yep. Well, took about 2 years start to finish.
It's really not bad.
Yeah. In a 1.5 car garage.
Nice. See, anybody, well, not almost anybody can build cool shit. You're getting ready to see something that's a little different than what you're going to see on most of them. What's it powered by?
Caddy 472 Cadillac motor out of a Sedan DeVille.
You don't see that very often, do you? You've been a Cadillac guy for a while.
Yeah. I'm a caddy guy.
Right.
Always have been. Yeah, probably always will be.
Right. What do you got transmission-wise?
400.
400.
Yep.
So.
Yep.
Did you buy the full chassis or did you buy a frame?
Bought a frame and built everything from there. So it's a little hodgepodge of parts from Speedway, some old stuff, some new, just a little bit of everything. So
Right. And you went with the truck bed?
Yeah, we put a bed on it. We actually just put a bed on it last year. Had the little bobtail with just the tank on the back.
Right.
So wanted to add something so we can maybe put a little storage in the back. So because there's really not a lot of room. There's barely room once I get inside it.
Right. What's the wheel and tire combo on it? Because it sits real nice.
Those are cheater slicks from Towel City and just old steely wheels. And the front, I got radios on the front just to try to help it ride a little bit better. But those cheater slicks on the back's where it's at. That's
right.
Yeah.
So this is something that I've been seeing this car for a long time. I've known him since I was I was the same height. I was a lot younger. What are the taillights from?
59 Cadillac.
50.
Yeah.
I should have known. Yeah. I should have known.
Cadillac.
Since the first picture when I saw those, I was like, that is badass.
Yeah.
So we're going to do a good video on this. Be sure to stay tuned and check out all about his tee bucket. Thanks for doing that.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it, man.
All right,
yeah, man.
thank you.